We're now on the fourth symbol in Fondation Felicitee's logo, a compass, which helps you to find direction. And as I hear it, I go right back to a poem, nearly 5,000 years old poem, Freedom. And the author concludes by saying, in order to be free, you must be shackled to your identity. You must have purpose, must have direction, and then you will be eternally in pursuit. Wow. So direction is vital. Direction is a key element in fighting for freedom. So if we're talking about an education that should lead to freedom, to justice, to healthy population living in abundance, then direction is a must. Direction tells us, yes, north, south, east, west, yes, there's that. But directions also tell you how you decide that things will happen in your life. You have a direction. Are you willing to do anything to get to your purpose? Or do you have specific directions as to how you will get to your purpose? So direction is vital. We must have, once we know who we are and we set a purpose, an objective in sight, then we must be clear about the rules, principles, protocols that will get us to our purpose.